English language has lot of tricky words in its vocabulary, and advice are two words that are especially tough to keep track of. The confusion of advice and advice is a common written error as well. Advice with C. Advice is a noun. When we have a problem, we often ask someone for their advice. It is like a recommendation message about what might be done to address the problem. For instance, my professors always give us good advice. Whereas advice with S is a verb. That means to give advice or suggestion to someone about what should be done. For instance, my teacher advised me to work hard. He advised me to change the job. Hope you understood the word well. Make sentence in the comment section. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.